Kelley Blue Book CPO value of $16,400. Sold right here when it was brand new. Want a Mazda 6 with lots of zoom and Mazda certified with great MPG automatic transmission, a even better price. This is a Mazda certified vehicle. That means it has passed a Mazda certified vehicle inspection, and now you get a drivetrain warranty and Mazda roadside assistance for a total of 7 years or 100k miles from original purchase date, and certified limited warranty for a total of 12 months or 12,000 miles from date of purchase. Do you want a CD player, cruise control, keyless entry and power windows and lock, cold AC? Well, you better hurry. Do you have a trade? Well, we want it. Do you need financing? We can help. Want a vehicle history report available automatic?